Alrighty, this one's a different kind of question. The graph of a function f is shown at right. If the limit as x approaches c exists, and if f is not continuous at c, then what is the value for c? So some point on this graph, we have these two things stated. That the limit exists, and it's not continuous. So we had those two things we're looking for. Where in this, we're looking for the c value. What value would that be? So what is c? So we're going looking for c equals what? There's 1 point for that. So let's first look at the things. I would first look at f is not continuous. So let's list all the places where f is not continuous. So f is not continuous. Where? At x equals, well, it's not continuous here. It's not continuous here, and it's not continuous there. So those three spots are x equals -2, 1, and 3 are the three spots where f is discontinuous. Boom and boom. Next, we want the limit existing. So where does the limit not exist might help us, because we know the answer is one of these three. Okay, so which of these, if the limit has to exist, and it's one of these three because it's not continuous, so what is c? What is the value of c? So look at these, each one. Is -2 have a limit? No, there is no limit there, because both values go to, I mean, you could kind of say it's negative infinity, but we're not talking about that quite yet, but the limit doesn't exist. So this is not true because we need the limit existing. So we know this one is not true, because for this one, the limit does not exist. So let's look at 1. Does the limit exist here? No, because it goes here and here. They don't approach the same spot. So the limit does not exist there. So it seems like this will probably be the only one. And let's see. Does the limit exist at 3? Yeah, because as you approach this way, you're approaching here. And as you come from this one, you're approaching here. Let's draw it on there. So as you come from each side, aren't we coming to the same value? So at, or let me say, the limit as x approaches 3 of f of x exists. So at 3, both stipulations they're asking for are true. So what value is c? C is going to be 3. 3, when x is 3, is the only spot where the two stipulations happen. So let's once more just look at the whole idea. With a problem like this, depending on how they word it, you just are looking for places where there's discontinuities, and then reading the question carefully to look at discontinuities and limits and all the pieces they're asking for in one. So again, here, there is no limit, nor is it continuous. Here, right here at 1, there is no limit, and it is not it is discontinuous. And right here, it is discontinuous, but it has a limit. The value's down here, but doesn't really affect anything. Good luck with this problem.